Chinese dramas have gotten so popular in recent years, and if you want to get into it, it's a great way to increase your comprehensible input in Chinese while enjoying and binge watching some amazing shows. So today I'm going to recommend some platforms where you can watch these Chinese dramas and what are some of the most popular and highly rated series that came out in recent years. Okay, so where can you watch them? I'm assuming most of you watching are not located in China, so if you're outside of China, the first one we recommend is Viki. This is one of the most popular platforms for watching Asian dramas, including a large selection of Chinese shows. It has subtitles in many different languages, as you can see. While some of the episodes are free, it does require a subscription to unlock all the content, all the shows. The second platform is iQIYI. This is one of China's biggest streaming platforms. This has an international version of the website with English subtitles of many Chinese dramas. This not only has Chinese dramas, but also has tons of content in China for like documentaries, variety shows, and many more. Another solid choice is WeTV. This one is owned by Tencent, and some of the TV series are actually premiered here, so you can also check this one out. And actually, a lot of shows are free to watch on YouTube with Chinese and English subtitles. There are many official YouTube channels of these TV shows that upload all the episodes for free to watch. In my previous video, I talked about Chinese social media, and if you haven't seen that, go watch it after this. In that video, I mentioned Douban, which is a social media in China that has discussions and reviews of TV shows, movies, books, music, etc. So I highly recommend checking out Douban and seeing those reviews and ratings of many different Chinese shows or movies. And that's how you can discover new TV shows as well. Anyway, here are some of my recommendations for Chinese dramas or TV series that came out in the recent years. The first one I really enjoyed is 开端, English name Reset. The story follows a young woman and a young man who are trapped in a repeating cycle, reliving the same bus explosion over and over again. And every time they die, they restart and go back to the beginning part of the loop, and then they have to figure out how to break the loop before the time runs out. The time loop concept is pretty common in many shows these days, but what makes it unique is its thrilling mix of action, psychological tension, and character development. Each loop reveals new clues, keeping the audience hooked from the start to finish. The second one I recommend is called 隐秘的角落, English name The Bad Kids. This psychological crime thriller became a cultural sensation in China, especially during COVID when everyone was staying indoors. The story follows three kids who accidentally record a murder while playing with a camera, leading to a suspenseful chain of events. Very interesting storytelling, deep character development, and eerie atmosphere. It's full of hidden details, making it perfect for viewers who love solving mysteries. And to help you get more comprehensible input, you can also check out our language player app. It allows you to watch videos with interactive subtitles, save common words and phrases and review them later, and explore hundreds of movies and TV series across over 200 languages. Visit languageplayer.io. All the links will be in the description. So for systematic learning, we recommend obviously our HSK courses that we offer on our website. From grammar to vocabulary to listening and reading exercises, if you want a clear, step-by-step guide to mastering Mandarin, our courses are perfect for you. As a viewer of this video, we have a special coupon for you. Enter this coupon code at checkout at ChineseRoadHero.com. The next one is 庆余年, English name Joy of Life. This has season 1 and 2. This series blends historical drama with comedy and time travel elements. It follows the main character, a modern man who wakes up in an ancient kingdom with knowledge from the future, so he traveled back in time. Using his wit and intelligence, he navigates palace conspiracies and power struggles while uncovering secrets about his past. I remember season 1 a couple years ago was a massive hit, and season 2 just came out last year. The ratings are a little bit lower than season 1, but both seasons are pretty good. Next, we have 漫长的季节, English name The Long Season. Unlike typical fast-paced thrillers, this one is more of a slow burn. Set in a small town, it revolves around a decade-old mystery that still haunts the main characters. The show jumps between different timelines, slowly unraveling the truth while exploring themes of fate, regret, and the passage of time. If you like crime thrillers, this one is for you. Next, we have 山河令, English name, Word of Honor. This is a really popular wuxia or martial arts drama, especially among international audiences. It tells the story of two highly skilled martial artists, each with a troubled past, who form an unexpected bond while navigating the dangerous world of Jianghu, which is the world of the martial arts. This has beautifully choreographed fight scenes. The dialogue can be emotional and more poetic and less colloquial. But this is a must-watch for fans of drama and fans of classic martial arts stories. The next one is Santi, or The Three-Body Problem. This was a highly anticipated adaptation of the award-winning sci-fi novel Santi, or Three-Body Problem by Liu Cixin. The series follows the discovery of an extraterrestrial civilization who respond to a signal sent from Earth decades ago. As humanity grapples with the reality of an impending alien invasion, scientists and military leaders must navigate political and philosophical dilemmas and technologies that challenge human understanding. This 2023 version is a must-watch for sci-fi lovers. If you've seen the Netflix version of The Three-Body Problem, then you should definitely watch this one too. And the last one on my list that I recommend today is called 陈情令, English name The Untamed. I don't think I have to do much introduction on this because I'm sure many of you have seen this because we featured this series on our channel many times before because it's so popular. This is one of the most successful Chinese fantasy dramas of all time. The Untamed is based on the popular novel 魔道祖师. It's set in a world of magic, martial arts, and powerful clans. It follows two cultivators who uncover a dark conspiracy that threatens the balance of their world. It's got strong emotional storytelling, breathtaking scenery, great character developments, and it's gained a huge international following, making it one of the best introductions to Chinese dramas. So that's all I have from my list today of the TV shows and Chinese dramas that I recommend. If you have any of your favorite shows that you've seen, be sure to let me know and leave a comment down below so you can recommend to other learners as well. Don't forget to check out Language Player if you want to study videos using interactive subtitles, and also check out our HSK courses on our website at ChineseZeroToHero.com. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.